Hello and welcome back. This is such an exciting video because the brand ToTwoo, who you may have seen featured on Love is Blind recently, have sent me one of their amazing bracelets with the touch feature. I honestly feel so honoured to have received such a stunning piece of jewellery. Can you see that? That has so many other functions as well, which I'll get into. I did a little unboxing, so I'll show you that, and I just love their packaging too. You know me, I'm a sucker for good packaging, and they did not disappoint. They've sent me the rose gold one, which I think goes so well with all my jewellery. I mean, I actually am a mixed metal person. I have like silver jewellery on this hand and gold and rose gold on this hand, but I just think the rose gold is so nice. Even the clasp is a little heart as well. I just love it. And then all I had to do was pop the bracelet on charge, which was actually really quick. I thought it was going to take a lot longer, but all the instructions were in the little manual, which was really handy. And then I downloaded the ToTwoo app, which is so quick and easy to understand. I don't know if you can see it there. So cute. It literally tells you how much battery it's got. It is amazing, and I'll get into the app in a second. But if you didn't watch Love is Blind, I just want to explain the bracelet. So basically you can buy them in a pair so that when you touch one of the bracelets, it flashes and buzzes the other person's bracelet to let them know that you're thinking of them or just saying hey throughout the day. I just think it is such a cute idea, and it works so well on Love is Blind, obviously because they can't see each other or text each other. I think it's genius. They should get that on Love is Blind every year. If you watch Love is Blind and have no idea what I'm talking about, it was the latest season 6, and it was Chelsea and Trevor, and I think it was Chelsea who bought it for Trevor, because I feel like Trevor had said he'd been like tapping it 100 times and she hadn't replied. And anyway, I don't want to give any spoilers in case someone hasn't watched Love is Blind yet. I just think it was so cool and so clever that it was used on Love is Blind. It's just a perfect example of the concept. But also the bracelets aren't just for romantic connections. They can also be for like your long distance bestie, or something I thought of was when I was living in Madrid. I would have loved something like this as a little way to connect to my mum throughout the day. I would have just loved it. So I definitely think it's really cute if you have someone in your family that lives abroad or even just far away. And actually, when ToTwoo reached out, they found out that my brother lives in Australia, so they actually very kindly sent him a bracelet as well, which is just so fun and so sweet. Sometimes with how busy we both are and with the time difference, it can be hard to catch up or have a little chat, so I think it's just such a fun way to be like, hey, thinking of you. I know we're so lucky we can literally FaceTime someone, but I'm so extra that I think that little buzz has come all the way from Australia. I don't know, I just love that. I think it's so cute. But to be honest, my sister lives 20 minutes away and I'd still do that with her. So long distance or not, it is just such a good idea and such a cute way to just instantly connect with someone. So back on to the app, it also has some really fun features that I love and really didn't expect. So to start, I don't know if you can see, but you go onto this main page and it has, are you ready? The star sign obsessed girl. It has a daily horoscope. I am obsessed. Let's see what our daily horoscope is for today. Ooh, it's a good one. It gives you a whole reading of your horoscope and then it gives you a little summary of love, career, money out of 5 stars. So love is 3, career is 3, money is 4 today. Love it. And then it says as well, your ToTwoo will light up and or vibrate to remind you if your fortune index is over 4 stars. I love that. And then this also made me laugh and I love it. It has like a magic 8-ball equivalent of a yes or no, and it makes the decision for you. Double tap your ToTwoo, she will help you make a decision. So I'm going to double tap it now and see what happens. The decision is making. Yes! Do you see what I mean? Just like when you're indecisive, you could do it over like a takeaway or something, you know, when people just can't decide where you should go to eat. That is just so good for indecisive people. I love that feature. And then also you can do a call notification. You can turn it on or off, and when your phone rings, your bracelet will vibrate. So it's a little reminder, and they've just got so many cute features on this app. I just sat here for ages going through them all. And then obviously the main one is that is how you connect to your loved one, through the bracelet. So my brother has downloaded the app, we connected our phone numbers, and then it's done. So simple and so cute. Also, just randomly, it came with a little gift bag, so if you wanted to gift it to someone, all the packaging is done for you. I love little touches like that. Overall, I just love the whole concept. I think it makes such a lovely gift for someone. It's so thoughtful and it's so pretty as well. There are so many options to browse from on their website, loads of different colours. So my brother's one is the black version of this one, which I think is also the one that Trevor on Love is Blind had. I think. I'll have to watch that back and check, but I'm pretty sure. Good choice. So definitely have a little look on the website, and you can use the code ANNAC10 for 10% off. Let me know in the comments, by the way, if you have one or if you're thinking of getting one. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to ToTwoo, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!